Come on. Up with the rod. Pump up with the rod, and then when you go down with the reel. Yeah, up and then down reel. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Nice. Here we go. Albakora catch. Hombre, muy pequeño no, eh? Yes! Oh, double hook up. Let's come over here. Nice one, Alan. Oh, nice fish. Oh, nice fish, Alan. Nice fish, well done. I think my battery's going to run out on the camera. Can you believe it? Nice one, Alan. Yeah, give me your camera in case this one runs out and I'll carry on. But don't lose the fish, mate. Right, no, this is a different battery. This is a different battery. I think there's enough to bring this fish up. Okay, Alan, I'm gonna have to go and record the other chap because it's about to come out of the water. Nice fish, Alan. Okay, and what's happening here? You're still hooked up, nice. Here's the leader. Let's have a look. Red snapper. Here we go. Yeah, nice one. Hold the fish, please. It's another happy customer. Right, over I go to Alan. Let's run across to the front of the boat. I think Alan's fish is a nicer fish. Here we go. I think this battery will hold out just to finish this recording. But any other fish, I'm afraid, we're just going to have to wait and take some stills when we're back at the... Oh yeah, she's pulling nicely. Yeah. And do we say hello to Gus MCG, our moderator in the European Forum? I cannot believe it. As soon as I went to the back of the boat to film our German colleague hooked up, Alan shouts at the front of the boat, "I'm in as well!" Nice one, Alan. Any sign of the leader yet? No? Eso es un pescado bueno que tenía, ¿eh? Eso es un pescado bueno que tiene aquí el amigo, ¿eh? Como siempre, tío. Jigging total, hombre, jigging total. Surely the leader's got a show. I hope the battery doesn't die on me because I want to see this fish come out of the water. That'll make a nice video for you. Oh, here's the leader, Right, over to the water, I'm afraid. Alan, just to... Wow, nice fish. Nice one. Déjalo cogerlo para que está en el video, al hombre. Hold it up for us, Alan. Turn it sideways. Nice one, mate. Well done. Nice one. No problem, mate. Anytime. Alright. Right, let's do some...